Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through the grad school application timeline, from planning to admission, a step-by-step guide of what you should be doing right now. Let's get started. So we're going to be reviewing the following things. Why do you apply for grad school in the first place? The general timeline you should expect, the step-by-step guide of what you should be doing right now up until the admission is out, frequently asked questions, and key tips. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video. Why should you apply for grad school? Because you want to advance your career, you want research opportunities, particularly for those that want to do a direct PhD, or maybe you already have your master's and you're working towards your PhD. You also want to network with the leading people in your field. You also want scholarships and funding for your research, etc. So now, what should you expect as your timeline? So right now, it's August, and right now from August to September, you want to finalize your school program list because you want to know the schools you'll be applying to, the programs you'll be applying to. You also want to reach out to potential recommenders, though those should preferably be professors at your most recent institution, right? So you're going to be reaching out to about 2 to 3 to 4 depending on the school and the program you're applying to. This is also the best time to start drafting your statement of purpose and your CV, right? I already have a video for helping you with your CV. Then you have to register for GRE or language exams if required for your program. Up next, September to December, you want to complete and submit your applications before the deadlines. Make sure to verify the deadlines to know what deadline is for what program. You want to double check your transcript to be sure you're submitting the most updated copy, your test scores, and your letter of recommendation submissions. From December to June, your applications will then be under review. You'll possibly be contacted for an interview depending on the program, depending on the school. Then from January to June, the admissions will come, and then you can have offers for fellowship and funding notifications. Up next, the step-by-step of what you should be doing. So explore schools and choose program, like I said already. Know your deadlines, gather material, then you apply online. Everything is now online, right? Then you await your decision. Now, frequently asked questions. Who is eligible for postgrad? Who is eligible for masters? Who is eligible for PhD? Right? So it's typically for students with Bachelor of Science and a strong academic research background in PhD applications. So if you want to apply to a certain program, you want to have a BSc in that program already or something related. So for instance, you want to apply to engineering, you should come from an engineering background, or mathematics or computer science, thereabout. CGPA requirement, no official cutoff, but usually around 3.0 is the baseline, but you can offset this with a strong letter of recommendation and good experience. Application fee, just budget between $75 to $125 per program, depending on how much you pay in that program. Can you apply to multiple programs in the same school? Yes, but then you know that you pay a different application fee and start a new application altogether. Do I need GRE? A lot of programs do not require you to have your GRE, so just verify with your program on the program website. When will you get your admission decision? That should be between January to June, depending on the program. Key tips: start early. This is the best time to start. Don't think you still have some months before it's December. Time runs fast. You want to make a very detailed application, right? So you want to make your application as good as possible. Start early. Don't do a rush work. Reach out to your recommenders early so that they can know beforehand what they're going to be helping you with. Keep track of your deadlines in my spreadsheet. Link is in the description. Apply for fee waivers where possible. This will help you to increase your range of applications without the financial strain attached to it. And don't be discouraged by rejections. Just apply and apply widely. Believe in yourself and then know that you can do it. Next steps. If you want to make your CV, you can click the link in the description. Watch the CV tutorial I've created. The statement of purpose tutorial is also coming soon, so stay tuned. If you have questions, just drop them below in the video and I'm going to respond to them as soon as possible. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to others. And so that brings me to the end of the video. Connect with me on LinkedIn at Joseph Fatui, on Twitter _Joseph Fatui, and on YouTube Joseph Fatui Official. Thank you.